Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the intriguing combination of garlic and honey. What happens when you consume them together? Let's find out! Garlic and honey have been cherished in traditional medicine for centuries, each offering unique health benefits. When combined, these two powerhouses may enhance each other's effects. Studies suggest that this mixture possesses antibiotic and antiviral properties, potentially aiding in the fight against infections. Additionally, consuming garlic and honey together may support heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels. They might also work together to soothe a sore throat and alleviate coughs. Furthermore, the combination may assist in regulating blood pressure, contributing to overall cardiovascular well-being. Incorporating this duo into your diet is simple. One popular method is creating fermented garlic honey. To make it, place peeled garlic cloves in a jar and cover them with raw honey. Let the mixture sit at room temperature for about a week, allowing the flavors to meld. Take 1 teaspoon daily, either on its own or mixed into warm water or tea. However, it's important to note that while garlic and honey have individual health benefits, scientific evidence on their combined effects is still limited. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. So, while adding garlic and honey to your meals can be delicious and may offer potential health perks, remember that moderation is key. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Stay healthy.